So, let's talk about some things that you should keep in mind when you're crafting your vision. You want your vision to be inspiring. You want your vision to get the team excited about the product. And I found that a really good way to do this is by focusing on the problem that you want to solve for users and why it matters. How will your product change their day, their month, or even their life? Steve Jobs once said, if you're working on something exciting that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. You also want your vision to be ambitious. Think big. You want your vision to be broad and open-ended to challenge the team to think about the product in new ways. It shouldn't detail out exact flows or features. You'll work with the team to come up with those later. Additionally, by being ambitious, it gives you a little bit of leeway so that you can change, adapt, and pivot the product as you learn new information while still being able to work towards your overall vision. You also want to make sure that your vision is easy to explain. And people should be able to get it and understand it when they hear it. Generally, this means you'll want to be able to summarize your vision into a short, concise sentence or two. All the other details are important, but they don't need to be part of your high-level vision. Those more detailed things will show up in other places and documents that you put together. It's also important that your vision is something that the team believes in. You'll want to make sure that the team believes in the vision that you're creating. And you can get to this point through a lot of different ways, but I've found that involving the team early on works really, really well. Potentially, this could look like asking team members to participate in some of the early research that you'll be doing and talking with customers. Alternatively, you could also go through a visioning exercise together as a team to co-create a vision. And your vision needs to evolve over time. It's really, really hard to get things exactly right the first time. And it's okay if you don't. But what's important is that as you learn new things, you take that information into account and evolve. Lots of times it might be necessary to make a pivot into a new direction. And the important thing is that you realize when this is the case. Your vision should also be something that you share out frequently, so that everyone on the team understands your vision and is on the same page. The team will end up using the vision that you create to set up and inform decision-making. You'll also want to tailor the way that you present the product vision to different groups based on the things that they care about the most.